Hello everybody, I'm Adam Homan, Sales Engineer for Integrated Machinery Systems, your value-added reseller for Markforged 3D printers in Indiana and Illinois. I'm fresh off a week of crisscrossing Indiana with Peter Kustra, Midwest Applications Engineer for Markforged. Got to see a lot of interesting applications. There's things going on in this state that I had no idea were being built, and we're very excited to be a part of it. I want to take a couple seconds to highlight the importance of design for additive manufacturing. Unfortunately, building something on a 3D printer isn't just as simple as pressing print and getting exactly the same geometry that you would get off of a subtractive process. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What I have here is an example of a piece that did not work on, but I also have a couple ways that we got around it. So as you can see here, I've got a couple little blocks that I printed off of our Onyx Pro. These blocks are currently being made out of Delrin. I don't know all of the particulars of what this application is. All I know is that they need to be non-marring, and that is one of the properties of Onyx. So this little block here has these little oval shaped features in the top and a couple little holes in the bottom right here. And overall this print turned out pretty well, but this was my second try at it. This was my first try, and this is what happened. I apologize for the lighting. I went to engineering school, not filmmaking school, so we're doing the best we can here. But what happened is these holes here were designed to go all the way up to here, and when that happened, there wasn't enough wall thickness to complete the build through this area. That is very indicative of how you would design something for subtractive manufacturing. If you had this on a Bridgeport, it would be a lot easier to drill these holes deeper than it would be to mill these ovals any further down than what they are. So when I redesigned this for this build, I took these two bottom holes and just ran it up to this top flange surface here. And I took these ovals and ran them all the way down to here. Additive didn't really care. And what that did is it gave me enough wall thickness. Everything is looking pretty good here. And so I'm going to send this on and see how it works out. So again, this is just a quick example of how changing your design can vastly improve the performance of your prints. The nice thing about this is I had about 45 minutes worth of print time and 50 cents worth of material in this build. I don't think at current US labor rates that you could even turn on a Bridgeport for 50 cents. So this is a great example also of how you can iterate quickly and cost effectively with a Markforged 3D printer. So if you have any thoughts, please contact us at www.imscnc.com. Again, my name is Adam Homan, Sales Engineer for the Indiana Division of Integrated Machinery Systems. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.